Hi, I'm Si Harraway from METCLEAN. Here at METCLEAN we are excited to bring to market our latest innovation in DPF cleaning, the METCLEAN S and the METCLEAN E. Alongside these machines we also have our new range of high pressure parts cleaners, the METCLEAN Wash XL and the METCLEAN Rotor S. The METCLEAN S for cars and LCVs with all the same features as its big brother the METCLEAN XL. Pneumatic clamping ram, touchscreen technology, high capacity filtration system, dry and wash simultaneously, and very easy to manoeuvre at only 400 kilos. The METCLEAN E is the first cabinet machine to come to market to compete with the non-cabinet machines on price, with a full stainless steel body and a super fast heat-up tank. The METCLEAN Wash XL can achieve a flawless finish due to having a fully temperature controlled and heated 5 kilowatt water tank, 150 bar of pump pressure and a pneumatically dried screen, all contained within a stainless steel body and operated by foot pedal control. The new Rotor S by METCLEAN, designed for heavy duty parts cleaning, all encased in a fully stainless steel body. This machine boasts a 3 horsepower high pressure pump, an electric oil separator and is fully temperature controlled. Our machines come with a UK based support system, 12 months warranty and full training upon delivery. We will be exhibiting these machines in November at the Surrey Mechanex show, so we look forward to seeing you there.